Standing outside with my friends, but they left me for another guy. I'm standing, waiting patiently, but I feel like they're never coming back. And I feel like I should just go. And I feel like I should just wait. Should I go or should I wait? I don't know what I should do. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Should I do? Should I go? Should I go? Should I give up waiting for them? Should I just give it all up? Should I go? Should I just Should I go or should I wait patiently? What should I do? What should I do? Or should I wait patiently?